Hey, come here. Come say hello to the fish. Green. What color is that? What color is that?
Green.
Very good. Green. She know her colors. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good.
That's yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Yeah. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Good girl.
Orange.
Orange. Good job. You're pretty. Look. Look, Princess. Sarah.
Beep beep.
Beep beep. What color is this? What color is that? Red. Good job. Red. Good girl. Good girl. You know your colors. Come say hello to Faves. Say hi. Look. Beep beep. Say hi. What color is that?
Back.
Black. Good job. Yay. Good job, Princess. See, someone was asking me if Sarah know her colors. There you guys have it, and that's an amazing way to start this morning vlog. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new tiring sunny day here. I'm tired because I ran 3 miles this morning. I ran to the supermarket this morning. I did my shopping, and then babe came and picked me up with Sarah because of course Tyler is at school. Today is Friday here on my side of the world. A few days before you guys will be watching this, and it's very sunny and windy, extra windy outside today. But I'm happy I got that run in, and because that run, no, I am tired. What color is that? What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. And I just comb her hair and get her fresh for the day. Isn't she so pretty with her little hairstyle? Sarah, look. Aren't you the cutest? Look, say hi. She no want to tell you guys no hi. She's on the go. She's gone. Look, Sarah. Say hi. What color is that? What color is that? What color is that? Cheyenne. Good job. Cheyenne. That's what the TV tell her that type of blue is. She has such a good memory, you guys. It's crazy. One more coming. What color is that? What color is that? What color is that? Pink. Good job. Funny story about Sarah. Whenever she see pink, she say because she think it's pig. Pink. Pink, Sarah, not pig. Pink.
What?
Pink. You see white? You see white? Pink. Pink, mama, pink. Pink. This hairstyle won't last, so you guys enjoy it while it's there. Anyway, you guys, I have a few stuff to do around here. I am not gonna do the supermarket haul until Tyler come home, because if I do the supermarket haul before Tyler come, he's gonna be pretty sad that I did the supermarket haul without him. So anyway, you guys, I am going to go clean my kitchen, make some lunch for babe and I, and carry on with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Have a good weekend or have a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. My kitchen is pretty dirty, so you want to come with me to clean? Let's go clean. And babe said he want fries for lunch. Babe, What you want with the fries? Huh? Steal the cereal bar. Sarah! Sarah! Hi guys, how you doing? Hi guys, what you doing? Baby, what you eating? Baby, what you eating? Baby, what you eating? Say hello to the face.
Why?
Tell face why you look sad.
Because I got a C.
No. Tell face why you look sad. What's the real reason why you look sad? Not because you got a C, but because you got a bad report card.
Which report card?
What mattress, right?
No, it's not that.
Oh, that's why you are sad. Oh, because see why you're sad. It's not what mattress, right? Why you're sad.
No, I'm sad because of the car.
Anyway, guys, we're back.
You guys,
Afternoon,
go ahead, go ahead.
and we're waiting on Tyler for the supermarket call. So here we are. We're gonna do that, and we didn't go fruits and veggies today.
Because
we went
fruit and
yesterday,
veggies yesterday.
so that won't be much. That will be cool.
It won't be much, it will be fast.
She jogged to the supermarket this morning.
I ran.
She ran 30 minutes. She reached there. She do the things, and I just come pick up the goodies. I almost forget her in the supermarket parking. I mean, she not important. The goodies more important. So, and come back home.
You guys, I'm laughing, but I was mad at Tyler for the past few minutes. Not just that Tyler got a C, but Tyler teacher wrote that Tyler talked too much in class. And I always talk to Tyler about that. So I had to give him a real talk just now. You guys see the good of us most of the time, but when the bad happen, I'm still going to show y'all. So,
Mama?
you're going to work on that?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
Look, I got a bad grade. Which word you hear in bad grade?
Huh?
Which word you hear in bad grade?
Which word I hear in bad grade?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Which word? Bad or grade? Which one?
Bad.
No, not that one I'm talking about. I'm talking about grade.
We are talking about.
And it's not the C that he got is that he forget to do something. That's not even why I'm mad at him.
You can have a C, a D, a E, a F. I mean, sometimes maybe you can be lost and don't understand the topic, or think you completely
Or
understand.
overlook something.
Right, but
That's
if
not
the
why
teacher
I'm
tell
mad.
you that
He
you
talk too
talk
much
too
in
much,
class.
and that's the reason why you don't finish your exercise, that's the wrong thing.
So he's gonna learn how to.
And if she say that,
yeah,
means she tell him in class
exactly.
that he's talking too much. So she was just mad and she have to write it. I would have done the same.
So we gotta be parents right now and do what we gotta do. And what you gonna do?
Listen.
Not just listen, but
Stop talking.
Stop talking. Like when teachers speaking, even when parents, that's when it stop. That's where education, that's where everything starts at home. Okay? So when Papa, when Mama talking to you, you listen, you don't talk. Okay? Alright, let's start.
let's
I
go.
could say the grades, but don't go too fast.
Grades of what?
I'll say it.
No, we're not gonna say no grades right now. We're just gonna do this for
So we have the Kellogg's.
No, I say it in French. I think.
Yes.
You know how I got my yogurt today?
How?
There's no sugar, so you didn't wonder how did I eat my yogurt?
So you eat the chocolate one?
No, I got the regular one.
So what did you do?
Oh, a spoon of honey.
Ah, well that's very good.
I don't know if it's very
It's
good.
a
That was
spider.
very
Yes,
yummy.
that is very good.
That was very
That
yummy.
is very good.
Guys, we have a Kellogg's.
That's actually better than the sugar.
It looks empty. It's supposed to be 4. I mean, there's 1 here, so it's 2.
And Sarah have one over in the car and I
No.
ate 2.
You ate 2.
Yes, I ate 2. I just said that.
So there's 2 here. No,
I
Sarah,
ate 1 this morning and I ate 1 this afternoon.
That's supposed to last a week.
Come, Ty, come. Where you
That's
going?
supposed to last a week. What else we have?
Ty!
I can't see these things.
Mommy, come on
Don't
here,
go too
so.
fast and don't go.
Alright.
Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow.
My favorite is a
Cookie.
A++. Is a cookie. Don't say anything. A++.
One
No,
thing.
not A++.
No, Sarah.
A 4 plus.
Yes.
Here, take parts
Cookie is healthy.
No.
You can eat cookie every day if you feel for it. You won't do anything to
Mama.
you.
Mama.
Nothing.
Yes, Ty.
When you finish the supermarket, how we are going to put the things that are not healthy with the things that are not healthy?
So you
with
can
the
put
things
that in the
are-
healthy one, in the
No.
healthy section. Where's the healthy section?
Here is the healthy section.
Alright,
There-
put this in the healthy section.
No, in the bad section.
Alright, stay there.
We have
Okay,
mini
let's-
pizza, we have fuzzy, we
Bad
have mini
section.
pizza.
Papa, let's go in the
Oh,
bad
Well,
section.
if pizza and cookie going in the bad section,
at the
trust
end
me,
we're gonna
I'm
see
gonna
which
stay on the bad
section.
section for life.
At the end, we're gonna see which section is the biggest section, okay?
Oh yes.
Sweet bread.
Oh, give me that in my section.
I mean, Papa
I don't want to
section.
move from
Yeah,
that
yeah,
section.
Papa section.
Yes, yes.
Sarah is in your
The
section.
dark side is calling you.
Yeah.
Come,
Sweet pepper.
sweet pepper, stay,
Don't tell her you're not
stay
in the
there with
camera.
your
You have
sweet
to come
pepper.
around here.
Papa, this is going to the bad
Biscuit, we
side.
have biscuit in our
But this is going to
section.
the bad side.
We have happy
side is the
biscuit,
bad
happy
side.
biscuit going in our section.
Grape juice.
Oh,
Good
it's
You
side.
sure it's a good side?
Yes.
It's a good side. Oh,
Comfort.
it's going
Good
to the
side.
good side.
Apple juice. You can't-
Don't
No,
worry.
bad side. It's grade E on the nutrition score.
Grade E.
We at this grade E too.
Woo, I tell you guys, that was supposed to be in my section.
Sugar.
Sugar is in my section. What she gonna eat?
Stevia is in good side. So,
Okay, you can put the sop in your section. Keep and drink the sop.
go back up on the step.
I think I see something in the bad section.
Yes.
Oh yes, peach. We're gonna eat
Chicken.
peach.
Come on the good side, chicken. Yes, you are the separating us.
We are going in the bad side.
Good
Oh,
side.
good.
Mascara yogurt.
Good one.
Tell look what I bought for you.
We have a real menu.
The syrup
here.
that you had at Etienne.
We have the
Syrup.
real menu.
Bad side.
Syrup is bad side. What is
Woo!
water?
Ah, is
Papa,
water.
this is our
Oh,
side.
we have another. No, good cereals should not be too
It's
bad.
for good side.
It's supposed to be
No, for
good
good side.
side. Okay, let's give her some goodness.
The cereal bar is for my side.
Because
Don't
she
you-
took the.
I see something. Papa, this is bad side.
Oh yes, this is the bad side. This is
Sometimes
correct.
I don't understand how you're on the bad
So
side.
there's
Yes, this sweet is the bad
Oh
side.
yes, when you see all of this goodness, how
No,
you
the
expect
chocolate
it?
milk is not bad side. No,
Yes,
no.
Oh, it's B's.
No,
B's.
it's good
Let's give
side.
B to her.
No.
When you see the E, let's give the B. Oh God, waffle.
You guys have pick up some more picture frame.
Oh, took the right side.
Yeah.
She took the wrong side.
No, move.
I was sure about it.
Here.
No, it's those I wanted to pick up.
Mama,
This one is
these are
in the good
yours.
side. What?
What are yours?
Good
She
side.
put the chicken in the good side, but the way she gonna cook it
Rice
is
is
gonna
in
turn
the
to the
bad
wrong
side.
side.
Rice is in the bad side.
That's not true, babe.
Papa, rice is in the
Oh
bad
yes,
side.
you can do rice and pizza and crepe for.
No,
for the,
guess what? If yesterday bag was unpacking, no, my section would full like this.
But guess what? We are not yesterday.
Yes, sir, I got that.
Where's your side? What you gonna eat tonight? What you gonna eat tonight?
Sweet peppers and grapes and chicken.
Okay. We're gonna make a pizza night with we have yogurt, we have rice and juice for the breakfast. Looks here like we're eating breakfast, lunch, dinner and breakfast time.
Papa?
Look at all the crap that you and Tyler have on your side. Crepe, bread, waffles.
Papa?
Yes, Tyler, you happy about my side?
Yes, Ty.
Now we are going to do a challenge of bad side versus good side.
Where's the pizza? The bad side. The pizza needs to go in the oven.
Now!
It's Friday. It's Pizza Friday.
The pizza.
I didn't tell you that I was going to eat it.
Okay, you can cook it for me.
It's this side.
What you
Yeah,
gonna
but if I don't cook it how you want.
What you gonna do for you tonight?
There's quinoa in the fridge.
Okay,
Because
okay.
it's in the back.
You can eat the quinoa. What you gonna eat the quinoa with?
There's starfish and bean in the fridge.
Oh, I don't think
Mama,
it's been
you can
tomato
eat,
sauce.
Mama,
Well, not the tomato sauce part, but
Mama, you can eat a bit of the bad side and we can eat a bit of the good side.
No.
yes, Tyler.
No.
That's a very good idea, Tyler.
Yes.
That's called balance eating.
No.
Yes, Tyler.
You
Like
don't want no damn balance. You want balance, but I don't want no balance.
yes, they don't want to eat balance. And you see
A
what?
little bit of the bad side and a little bit of the good side.
That is a very good way of thinking, Ty. Not just all bad side, right?
Yes.
Right.
You don't want
And
to
not
eat,
just
you don't
all
want to
the-
eat pizza every day for lunch.
No.
Dinner. We can have
No.
pizza with
No.
chicken for the dinner.
No.
We can have the pineapple one for the lunch.
No.
Every day we can have different pizza.
No.
Pizza every day.
No, thank
Fries and
No,
KFC.
no.
You don't want Burger King and McDonald's every day.
No.
Okay, I listened to you. You said no. I was about to go get McDonald's for you, but you said no.
No, we still don't want it. You can't bribe
You said
me.
no.
We don't
No,
want
but the next time we're going, for example, to fast food, we can just get you know, sometimes they eat like carrots, crunchy carrots. I'm gonna ask the crunchy carrot for Tyler. And what kind of dessert do you want?
crunchy carrot.
Crunchy carrot. Yeah, crunchy carrot. You want ice cream? What kind of ice cream you want? I want crunchy carrot.
Carrots, raw
Yes, carrot,
carrots.
raw carrots.
No carrot.
I'm gonna ask Walker. Okay, what do you want? I want a big menu for the daddy. I want a salad for the mommy.
And a crunchy carrot.
And I want a salad menu for the kid.
Excuse me,
And
Papa.
I'm sure Sarah gonna get the fries. Yes, Tyler.
After we eat the pizza, we are going to take all what we need to eat. For example, and we need to, Papa,
What are you saying?
I know you would want to take a lot of this side.
Papa would mind sit down on that side all day.
Yes.
If Papa don't mind having crepe for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Papa don't mind having cheesy
I'm going to
pizza
have
for
crepe.
breakfast, lunch and no Tyler, please to put it back.
Maybe.
I'm tired of this. I'm tired of hearing them. So I need a cookie to
Yeah, see?
warm my herbs.
What's up?
Warm my herbs.
You guys, let's see how he is.
Juice?
Good excuse. Sarah, oh your papa stays so. So the fame's there. Who is that? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Zawa! Give Tata a
Mama,
kiss.
look at all
Give
what
Tata
I'm
a
going
kiss.
to
Tell her she want kiss. Mwah! You're too funny! She's so funny.
Mama, of the syrup.
You can have it at dinner, not now. Very good.
Look at what I'm going to eat. Crepe, syrup or grape for a fruit, and syrup for my drink, and water.
Hey!
I need help.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. As I was saying to you guys about Tyler, when your kids are come home with not satisfying news, it's our job as parents to pull them in and give them a good stern talk about what is expected of them. If they're falling off track, then you put them back on that track. And as parents, as a parent, I'm not afraid to do so with mine. I don't know about you guys, but we have to do what we have to do around here. As Babe said, it starts at home. Starts at home. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the little supermarket haul. It wasn't much. Like Babe said, we went to the fruits and veggie store yesterday, so you guys didn't see any fruits and veggie. Yeah, but it's Pizza Friday. I just threw the pizza in the oven. I'm going to look after dinner for the fam bam.